Hello and welcome on this Money9. We've got some interesting updates right from a Bengaluru-based bank revising its service charges to flight ticket fares dropping and more. I'm Shrestha Tiwari. Let's take a look at the top 10 on today's Money9. The spate of rate hikes by banks continues on Wednesday. Home loans and other types of loans of the private lender sector, the HDFC Bank became further expensive as it increased its marginal cost of lending rate to 8.2%. Most of the retail loans are tied up with the one-year MCLR of banks, so loans such as home loan, car loans, personal loans of HDFC Bank are all going to cost you dearly. Now, after the rate hike, home loans of the private sector lender will start from a minimum of 8.1% rate of interest. If you have a savings account with Candra Bank, then you must note that the public sector lender has revised the fees it levies on various types of services. Let's see how much the Bangalore-based lender has revised its fees. You won't be charged a single penny on first 4 cash withdrawals from Canara Bank's ATMs and branches and also other banks' ATMs in a single month. But from the 5th transaction onwards, you will be charged 20 rupees plus GST. The same rule applies in case of fund transfers as well and deposits made with the public lender with its own ATMs and also with other banks' ATMs. Now, these rules are also applied only on those account holders who maintain basic savings deposit account with the public lender, plus these charges will be applicable from September 20th, 2022 onwards. And it just has been 1 month since the launch of the country's latest airline, Akasa Air. The price war in the aviation industry has already begun. Late billionaire Rakesh Jhunjhunwala-backed Akasa Air is giving flight tickets at lower price than its competitors such as Indigo, SpiceJet and so on. On Mumbai to Bangalore route, Akasa Air's flight tickets are priced at only 1,996 rupees, while on the same route, Indigo's tickets are priced at 2,418 rupees. Not only this, the tickets of the Mumbai-based airline is available for as low as 1,747 rupees on Bengaluru-Kochi route. And on the Mumbai-Ahmedabad route, tickets are available for as low as 1,397 rupees. Well, the government removed airfare price bans from August 30th, 2022, and airlines, especially Akasa Air, has already started to take full advantage of it. Next up is a good news for all tech-savvy people out there. Get ready to avail bumper discounts, cashbacks and exchange offers on various electronic items like smartphones, TV sets and ACs. Chinese smartphone manufacturer Realme has already announced that it will offer discounts of up to 10,000 rupees on smartphones and a discount of up to 12,000 rupees on other electronic products. According to industry insiders, other companies like LG, Haier, Samsung and Xiaomi are all expected to roll out huge discounts and other types of offers as the country welcomes the festive season this fall. On Wednesday, Kotak Mutual Fund has opened subscriptions of its newly launched NFO, the Kotak Business Cycle Fund. The fund will invest in those sectors and stocks which are likely to benefit from the different phases of business cycle the country will undergo. It will look into invest in those companies which stand to benefit from the various phases of the business cycle. The last date to apply this scheme is September 21, 2022. Exit load will be nil if investors redeem units to the tune of 10% of total investment in the first year itself. And Reserve Bank's Deputy Governor T. Ravi Shankar has said on Wednesday that the cost for cross-border transactions can reduce very soon in the country. Now, not only this, even the time it takes to send and receive money to and from abroad is all set to reduce once the central bank digital currency is launched later this year. Central bank digital currency is slated to be launched on a pilot basis later this year. Shankar has also said that it will also enable the government to avert risk of frauds that take place in the country's international payment system. A senior government official has said in an interview to a newspaper that the Government of India's social security body, the EPFO, will also invest in the same pattern as that of NPS. Now, EPFO will invest higher amount of investments made by young subscribers of its provident and pension funds in equities, while the Social Security body will invest lower amount of investments made by those who would be nearing retirement. It is to be noted that the organization already invests 15% of its fund in equities via ETFs. This will help the EPFO in generating higher returns for subscribers. Well, LIC has now newly launched a new Pension Plus plan. Under this plan, you get to deposit premiums on certain intervals. You can even choose to deposit the entire premium amount all at once. After a certain period, you will start to get pension for a particular tenure or even for your entire lifetime. It will depend on the contribution and the tenure of the plan chosen initially. So you will have to choose from one of the 4 pension funds available. You can choose to redeem units of the fund after a lock-in period of initial 5 years. And over to some news on your daily veggies. These days, tomato prices are on the rise and tomato has become costlier by 10 rupees per kg in the last 2 weeks. According to media reports, tomato is being sold at an average price of 50 rupees per kg, though tomato prices have reached at worrisome level of 90 to 100 rupees per kg in June. Since then, tomato prices were continuously falling in the country, but again, due to the incessant rainfall and a resultant crop damage, the tomato prices have again begun to shoot up. According to traders, tomato prices are expected to rise further in the coming days. Next up, we have mouth-watering news for all pizza lovers out there. Next time you visit any store of Pizza Hut, you have the option of tasting a new range of flavor fun pizzas. In this range, you will get to try 12 different types of both vegetarian and non-vegetarian pizzas. Not only this, you can try several topping options of vegetarian pizzas such as paneer, sweet corn, mushroom, onion and capsicum. And if you order non-veg pizzas, then you can try toppings such as chicken sausage, meatballs, tikka and pepperoni. And what more, this new range of flavor fun pizza starts at only 79 rupees. And that's a wrap on today's Money Time. We'll be back with more personal finance updates on your plate. And to catch Money Time in Hindi, download Money9's OTT app, which is now on Google Play and App Store. Until then, subscribe to Money9 English on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram, and keep watching Money9.